Hello, and welcome back to my video assessment problems. Today, I'm showing you a video involving the mean value theorem, in which I was given a function of f of x is equal to x to the fourth power with intervals of -1 to 2. I was asked to find if the mean value theorem is true with this function and these intervals, and to find the secant line and tangent lines, and to show that they are parallel. For the mean value theorem, there are two conditions that must be met. The first one is that f is differentiable for all values of x in the open interval a, b. The second is that f is continuous for all x values in the closed interval a, b. If both of these conditions are met, then there's at least one number between x equal to c in a and b such that f prime of c is equal to f of b minus f of a divided by b minus a. The function x to the fourth is continuous since it is a polynomial function. Since it is continuous, we can also assume that it is differentiable, since there are no cusps, meaning that there is not infinite tangent lines at a certain point.
2, 1, go.
Since the mean value theorem held true for this function, the slope of the secant line is equal to f of b minus f of a divided by b minus a. Now, in the context of these intervals, the slope would be equal to f of 2 minus f of -1 divided by 2 minus -1, which is the same thing as 2 plus 1. Now, when I simplified everything out, I got the slope to be 15 divided by 3, or 5. Now, to find the equation for the secant line, I plugged in one of the intervals of 2 and f of 2 into point slope form so that the equation for the secant line is y minus 16 is equal to 5 times x minus 2. Good.
1.
To find the equation for the tangent line, I first found the derivative of the function x to the fourth to equal to 4x cubed due to the power rule. Next, since x is equal to c, I set f prime of x equal to f prime of c, so the slope of 5 is equal to 4c cubed, in which c value came out to be 1.0772, which is between -1 and 2, the intervals. Next, to find the y value, or f of x value, I plugged in f of 1.0772 into the function of x to the fourth, in which I got a y value of 1.3464. Now, just like the secant line, from all the values I plugged into point slope form, so that the equation for the tangent line is y minus 1.3464 is equal to 5 times x minus 1.0772. Finally, I plotted the secant and tangent lines on the graph. Thank you very much for listening to my BAP, and I hope to see you soon.